Hi everyone, quick update about the grade 8 and the grade 9 maths textbooks. I've just got them fresh from the printers and some of the inside designs now has an extra color, a little visual refresh to match the grade 10 to 12 series and to give the whole range a consistent modern look. The new syllabi rolled out last year for grade 8 and this year for grade 9, but the content hasn't changed. The only addition for grade 9 is standard form, which was already in my book. So really, this is just a mathematical makeover. Same great content, now clearer and more visually engaging. Be on the lookout for these updated books. While updating them, I got inspired to start creating micro lessons, short 1-minute videos straight from the textbooks. And right after this post, I'll share my first maths short video, so don't miss it.
No more slips with math short clips. Y equals mx plus c straight line.